Want a fuss-free dinner that's big on flavour and done in 35 minutes? This Moroccan Harissa chicken tray bake is spicy, sweet, and all cooks on the one tray. This is how you make it. For this recipe, I suggest you use chicken thighs and not chicken breasts. They're juicier and they're way more forgiving when you roast them in the oven. So we're going to make a quick mix or a small marinade. We're not really marinate it for too long, but we're going to add garlic, harissa paste, olive oil, lemon juice, a little bit of honey for sweetness, and we're going to mix all that through. You could leave this overnight, but leave it for at least half an hour in the fridge. Then to a baking tray, we're going to add our chopped and peeled sweet potato along with our carrots, some cherry tomatoes or plum tomatoes, a red pepper or any colour pepper to be honest, some onion, dried apricots for some more sweetness, and for the spice mix we're using cumin, a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, not too much because it can be overpowering, cinnamon and salt and pepper. As always with these recipes you can bung other veggies that you may have in the fridge. Courgette, aubergine would both work really well with this. Then give it a wee scoosh with some olive oil, mix it all through, and then we're going to pop the chicken on top of it. And then we're going to pop that in the oven at 180 degrees for about 35 minutes until the chicken is thoroughly cooked through or hits 74 degrees Celsius.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
When it's ready for finishing touches, I think some lemon wedges and fresh parsley works best. And to serve it, it's the whole meal. You've got your carbs, your veggies, and your protein already there, so it doesn't really need anything else. Anyway, if you want the full recipe, you can get it inside my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!